Welcome back. I know it's been a minute, but today I woke up and started messing with the R3. As you can remember, when I bought it, it didn't have anything attached. So what I did was found some extra parts from my old R3 and I attached both assemblies here because they were both detached. The brake was hanging. That's pretty much all I did. I just wanted to ride it right through the gears and make sure it's good to go before I start fixing it all the way up. So this is the first ride. It's got oil in it. Radiator fluid's good. Just haven't changed them yet. And again, I just want to make sure that it shifts into every gear. I know it's not too safe to ride because tire looks kind of shady, but rear tire looks okay. Got some chicken strips. Let's ride it and see if we could get it to sixth gear. And the gears all do shift. Pretty cool. The brake handle's kind of gone, so I kind of went to grab for it and nothing happened. Let's hop off real quick. Quick glance at it. I do have fairings for it, but again, I probably won't use it. I'll probably just go and get brand new ones. I'm thinking of keeping the blue scheme going, but I want a lot more black on it than blue, if that makes any sense. Maybe throw some white. I don't know, I just want to make it different from the original blue scheme, but I still want the blue. We'll see. Doesn't look like too much work. We'll order an exhaust. We'll get these clusters right. We'll get the front light assembly, which is all cracked and broken. Looks like I need a fender right there, fender in the back. Doesn't look like much, so stay tuned. We're gonna get this done. Little R3Z.